Hey guys, happy Thursday, August the, what is it, y'all? I forgot. It's August 24th. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be doing today. So you're going to stay tuned. Hope you guys are doing well. So by now you probably would have caught my other video. If you're not following me on Simply Black Vegan, shameless plug, go follow me. But today guys, we are doing some more changes in the house. Outfit of the day. Oh, what you got to say? So we're gonna be changing, I don't know if you guys can see, we're gonna be changing this ugly light right here. It's not real ugly. Mark already have the bulb down, but we're gonna be changing this light to this light that has a beautiful glass dome here. So I'm gonna come back and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. All right, all right. Why are you doing that with the power on?
Go turn the power off then, Ma. What are you waiting on?
Okay. That thing going on. You don't see that? Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday, August the 25th. Y'all, time is moving along. So it is early a.m. and it is time to go. But y'all already know she had to get her what? Cup of joe. Oh, she ran. Hope you guys doing well. Y'all look. Out with the old.
You ready?
Gotta drop off husband and then I'm going to work. So I really can't show y'all. OOTD. I'm gonna put my black slides on, but yeah, good morning, y'all. I'm just checking in. Check it in. I'll show y'all the light later. So cute. So cute. Do you have all your stuff? Huh? Do you have all your things?
Huh?
Do you have all your stuff?
Yeah, shut up.
Could you say good morning to the folks this morning?
Good morning, people. How y'all doing?
Y'all, he be acting fun.
I'm be acting like nothing. Don't even try that mess with me. YouTuber!
I have to just keep on asking him to do. I asked him to do. You want to do lives on Friday? I don't know. That's your thing. I'll be back later, y'all. I'll see y'all. Let me get my coffee. So what you doing today? He on his menstrual, y'all, every day. Every day. It was on.
No, it wasn't.
Okay. Cause that thing, cause the things wasn't moving. That don't mean nothing. Oh, y'all, he look. You see how he turned, y'all? Oh my God, that's crazy. Stop.
You stop.
Oh my God, bye, y'all. Y'all, I'm in Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray paint today for the table. I have to spray paint the table. I have to spray paint my flower pot that's in the back by the back door. That whole gold thing is scratching. It ain't gonna look right. I'm gonna do the whole thing gold. I'm also gonna spray paint that gray flower pot that had my Sansevieria in my office. I'm gonna paint that as well. So I'm waiting on the people, and I got me some 4 ears of corn for 50 cents, y'all, at Walmart. Y'all better check it out. But I have to I gotta call somebody to. It's my second time, but I think I'm gonna go with this color here, the satin the satin black. Now, everybody keeps saying, Sonia, don't do the table black because you got the black rug. But I just think it's still going to stand out. Maybe I'll do the tips of the end of the legs, gold or something, because I have a little bit of gold left. So we're going to see. But I'm going to pick up my spray paint right now, okay? All right, y'all, I'm going to show y'all the light since I'm home. So this is what the light looks like. I'm afraid to turn it off because then you won't be able to see what it looks like. So if you come up a little closer, you see it's flush with the wall. I absolutely love that because it makes the, it's like mid-century modern. It goes really good with the room. And I wanted to show a few things. You can come closer. I want to show y'all a few things I picked up from the bins the other day. But look, y'all, I put my nails on. And I just want to show y'all. Now, these are these here, right? This is my real nail. So look how close that is. I just saved that one so y'all can see. So basically my real nail, if y'all see it, is right there. All my nails are like almost there. So just want to show you I did do the nails. And for all that you are wondering, these are the nails. And then too, here are some items that I picked up from the place. Y'all, this is the Brooklinen. These are not, gotta back up a little bit. Can you see me? This is a whole set. So y'all already know I had 2 pillowcases. So now I have, how do y'all work with these nails on? This stuff hurt. So I got 4 pillowcases, 2 of the same color, like a tannish color. Then I have a taupe color and another tan color. And it's linen and cotton. And I have a duvet where I can put my black cover inside the duvet. So I picked up this for 50 cents. I also found me a magnifying glass, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? Y'all see that? Real pretty. Wood. So I'm gonna put this on my table over here when I get a chance. And then I found some Yardley soap for 50 cents, this here. I also picked up, this is another light fixture, y'all, but don't nobody need this, so I'm not gonna show it to y'all. But I found the Casaluna big old pillow sham. So as soon as I can find a pillow that big, I might even put this pillow over here, in here, and see how that looks in here. But anyway, this was 50 cents. And I also, y'all look at this lamp. Ain't it beautiful? I paid 50 cents for this lamp. It doesn't have a top, but even if I find a shade that has the screw on, I can also find a shade that has like you can put it on and screw this on here. And I just love the fact that it has like this ceramic, real beautiful curvage here. Y'all, tell me where I should put this. I was thinking about on the console table over there, or I was gonna put it in the back room on the other table. But this is all I picked up, and I just wanted to show you guys. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in a minute. And then y'all, I'm gonna do this whole flower pot because I tried to show y'all how it's like scratched and got these colors on. I'm gonna just do the whole thing. But y'all look at that. Look how much she's grown. Look at those. Those are the 2 I tried to show y'all the other day. They are really like coming out. So I'm gonna cover them up with a bag and spray. And so I'm gonna put this into the office, and I'm gonna go ahead and start spray painting this table. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me go put this up in the office. I'm only putting this in the office for now. It's not gonna stay in there. I'm not sure, but like I said, I have an idea, and I'll probably put that in another part of this vlog, but I'm gonna go ahead and start spray painting everything. Okay, so I'll be back, y'all. All right.
It's on.
Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. So, guys, there is a gray pot in here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has them lines in it. So, I don't want, you can see like the gray lines in it. It's real pretty. So, my plan is I'm going to spray paint the pot black, and I'm going to get rid of this because I already have that black and gold one in the family room. So, I'm going to paint that, and then I'm going to end up I'm just going to set this plant on my desk because I want to just have like touches of black stuff instead of all this gold. So, that's the plan. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. You can get back from it like a little bit, I'm just gonna do a little bit of that and then. everything outside drying. So in the next video, you guys will see. So look, I end up putting on my other nail. So now all the nails are done. Let me know what y'all think. I'm not gonna wear these that long. When they start popping off, that's gonna be it. But guys, I fixed dinner, and that is going to be the end of this video. He's trying so hard not to say nothing. Look at that. Look at that. Can you say good night or good evening?
Good night, good evening. Have a good day.
All right, y'all, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Sonia. This is Simply Natural Black Life channel. So we do all things home decor, thrift hauls, clean with me's, get ready with me's, DIYs, all the things, plants, anything that you want to find, it is on this channel. So before we get started, I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, I also have another channel, Simply Black Vegan, which is a vegan channel, which I just show grocery hauls, things that I cook, things that I eat, just different types of foods that I fix around the home, gardening, all that great stuff. Going to the fresh market, farmer's market, and what have you. So anyway, guys, today is actually August the 27th, which is Sunday. And guys, today was co-wash day. So I did co-wash my hair, if you're wondering. So you guys are catching me in my natural state, which basically is my life, my natural state, but this is the hair right now. I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to put it up in a little knot or whatever, just for a couple of days. But anyway, guys, today we're going to style the table that I last showed you guys. Also, I will be plugging in probably a picture of the light or showing you guys the light. I'm going to actually swap something out of this little sitting room to put in the family room, because now that we have the table, we don't need such item. And then also, I was gonna post something on Facebook Marketplace, but I don't have to because Naturally Gifted, my girlfriend who lives here in my town, she lives in another city of my town, but not too far, but far. But however, she wants to buy it, so I don't have to put it on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm gonna tweak some things in there. And if that's something that you wanna see or you're interested in, just keep watching. And yes, guys, this is my OOTD of the day. Have on my house shoes, my other pair, and on my whites, because I am going to later on go walking, and today I'm going to be doing 4 miles. I won't plug it in this video, but that is my goal. So keep on watching. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. All right, so. So yes, guys, I don't know if you knew, but the lamp is going. It's going to a new home. My girlfriend, Naturally Gifted, that you guys met, she is coming to buy this lamp this week. So I don't have to put it on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. I think the pot looks so much better being black, all black. And I also think the flower pot here looks better black as well. So let me know in the comments below. And I will be trying to find a black lampshade or a cream lampshade for this lamp. And guys, this is the final reveal for this room. This is the new space, and I don't think I'll be doing anything else to it for right now. I know I always say that, but you never know what is to come. So guys, thank you so much for watching and commenting, and come back for more. Guys, I love what I did with this table. I left the inside blind, and I think it turned out so nice like this, and I think it blends in very well. All right, guys, until next time, I hope you guys consider subscribing, and hope you all enjoyed me turning my house into a home. I'm sorry the camera cut off, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Gotta go.